So, the Pixel 10 leak cycle has only just begun, and information about Google's next flagship is scarce. Aside from significant rumors regarding the Tensor G5 and G6 chipsets, no CAD models or concrete design details have emerged yet. However, a recent development has sparked interest. An alleged Pixel 10 phone case has surfaced, potentially offering clues about the Pixel 9's successor. The appearance of this case came as an unexpected surprise to many. The leak originates from Sonny Dixon, a user on X well known for his reliable Apple-related leaks. Dixon shared an image of what he claims to be a case for the Pixel 10. While the authenticity of this claim remains unverified, Dixon has a strong reputation in the Apple leak community, though it's unclear if his Google leaks will prove equally accurate. The design of the case closely resembles those made for the Pixel 9. The upper section features a horizontal cutout designed to accommodate the signature Pixel camera visor. Over the past few generations, this visor has undergone subtle changes, but the overall design language has remained consistent. If this case design is accurate, it suggests that Google intends to stick with a similar camera setup for the Pixel 10. However, the case does not provide any hints about potential feature upgrades or enhancements to the camera hardware. Another detail inferred from the case is the continuation of rounded corners in the Pixel 10's chassis, maintaining the smooth, curved design seen in previous models. Beyond these observations, the case does not reveal much else, leaving many aspects of the Pixel 10's design shrouded in mystery. Despite the uncertainty, this leak may mark the beginning of more significant Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro design revelations. In the coming weeks, further details are likely to emerge, offering a clearer picture of Google's plans for its next-generation flagship. For now, the Pixel 10 remains an enigma, leaving enthusiasts eagerly awaiting the next wave of leaks. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.